Allow yourself to be very comfortable with the body. Allow your body to relax. Watch your breath, the way it is going in and out. As you concentrate on your breathing, you will slowly seep into your subconscious mind, entering into the subconscious mind, entering into deep trance is very easy now. Allow each and every part of your body to relax. At this moment, I am going to count from 1 to 10, and with each count, start relaxing each and every body part. 10. Allow your legs, toes, heels, ankle joints, calf muscles to relax. Knee joints, thighs, both the legs are completely getting relaxed. 9. Going more deeper into relaxation. 8. Your hip joints, lower abdomen is getting relaxed. Allow your body to loosen up. 7. Your upper abdomen, lower back is getting relaxed. All the noise from outside will only help you, guide you to go more deeper and deeper, very, very deep. 6. Your upper back is getting relaxed. 5. Your shoulders, arms, elbow joints, hands, fingers, all are getting relaxed. 4. Your chest region is getting relaxed. 3. Deeper and deeper. Allow your throat and neck to relax completely. 2. All the parts of your face are getting relaxed. Eyes, ears, nose, lips, tongue, every body part is getting relaxed. And 1. Your back of your head and top of your head getting relaxed. Your entire body is getting relaxed completely. For the next few moments, allow yourself to be with the relaxation. As you relax, you're going more deeper and deeper. 1,000,000 times deeper than before. Nothing to do, nowhere to go, just be there. At this moment, I would like you to bring all your awareness towards Shakti Kendra bring more awareness and positivity within the Shakti Kendra. Allow your Mooladhara Chakra to activate. A sense of security, stability, and sensuality. Allow your Mooladhara Chakra to balance. Letting go all the fears of future, all the insecurity feeling from the body and mind. Allow your Mooladhara Chakra to activate, to become more healthier. See what you see, feel what you feel, experience what you experience. Trust yourself, trust the process. Allow your reproductive system to balance. Visualize your life becoming more stable. Feel more safer and secure on this planet Earth. Allow this sense of safety and security and stability to flourish in your mind. Allow yourself to bring in a great balance in Mooladhara Chakra. The energy is flowing upwards. Bring your awareness on Swadhisthana Chakra. Allow your reproductive system, the gonads, sex hormones to balance. Swadhisthana Chakra is the seed of creativity, motivation, and inspiration. Allow your Swadhisthana Chakra to balance. Let the spiritual inspiration remain to grow higher and higher. Let this positive energy, basic energy, move upwards to Swadhisthana Chakra. See what you see, feel what you feel, experience what you experience. Just be there. Sankalpa Kendra is getting activated. Experience that your willpower, decision-making power is increasing. Your ability to bring discrimination between right and wrong is improving. Allow yourself to develop this special ability within you. Emotionally, you are very joyful. Feel this inner joy. Allow the energy of enthusiasm, joy to flourish in Swadhisthana Chakra. Your willpower is becoming more strong. Look deep within. Your emotions are getting balanced. Your entire reproductive system is getting balanced. Muladhara Chakra and Swadhisthana Chakra are completely activated. Let the energies balance. Let it happen, whatever is happening. Just be there. I would like you to bring all your awareness to Manipur Chakra, Tejas Shakti Kendra. Allow your Tejas Shakti Kendra, Manipur Chakra, to activate. Allow your consciousness to expand. Letting go all the stress, letting go all the pain. Activation of Manipur Chakra is a stress buster, reduces all the stress. Activation of Manipur Chakra brings in the sense of generosity. See yourself being very generous in life, completely satisfied. Allow this feeling of contentment to flow. Experience inner peace. Manipur Chakra is getting activated. See what you see, feel what you feel, experience what you experience. Tejas Shakti Kendra is the seed of spiritual growth. Visualize a complete balance in the body system. Anger, pride, greed, and deceit are going away from you Body and mind are experiencing complete peace. Feel it completely. Let it happen, whatever is happening. Just be there and keep experiencing. Letting go all the negative emotions from Manipur chakra, the solar plexus. Most of the emotions are stored here. Let them go away from you. Manipur chakra is completely activated now. Allow this positive energy to move forward to Anahata chakra, Ananda Kendra. Say to your Ananda Kendra to activate. Allow your Anahata chakra to activate. It is the center of unconditional love. Allow the compassion to flow from Anahata chakra for each and every living being of this entire universe. You're becoming more compassionate towards your own self. Let the energy of compassion flow within your body and mind. Let this positive energy activate Ananda Kendra. Allow the unconditional love, that is Ananda, to flow for every living being, irrespective of their existence. Experience a great balance in your emotions related to Anahata chakra. Feel the energy of devotion and faith towards the teachings of the masters, the Tirthankars. Heart chakra brings a sense of responsibility. Look into your life. Take the responsibility of your own life. Say to yourself, I am responsible for every situation of my entire life. I take this responsibility. You're becoming more confident, more pure. Your behavior is improving day by day. Physically, visualize your Anahata Chakra is improving the blood circulation of your body. Allow the blood to flow to each and every part of your body. Let this Anahata Chakra activate thymus gland, boosting your immune system, enhancing your defense mechanism. Your body recognizes each and every cell. Let the immune system be boosted through Anahata Chakra. Trust yourself, trust your inner wisdom. Nothing to do, nowhere to go, just be there. Allow this positive energy to flow from Anahata Chakra to Vishuddhi Kendra, the seat of your throat. Visualize your sense of expression is improving. It is becoming easy to express your feelings now. Take this opportunity to balance your feelings, your emotions. Vishuddhi Chakra is the center of pure consciousness. Feel this complete purity of this consciousness. Looking deep within, you can see the right understanding of discrimination developing in Vishuddhi Chakra. Activation of Vishuddhi Chakra will help you understand every situation of life very profoundly. Look at your own self. You are ruling your own communication. Your thoughts are becoming more fluent with a sense of security. Every soul is independent. Feel this within your body and mind. Vishuddhi Chakra is getting activated. Thyroid and parathyroid glands are getting balanced. Visualize the balance of thyroid hormones in your body. Vitamin D and calcium levels are becoming very normal, bringing a great balance in the body metabolism. At this moment, take the opportunity to develop a great communication and thought of expression, balancing Vishuddhi Chakra. It's okay to express your feelings. Expressing is like healing. Allow yourself to express. Allow yourself to heal. Seek forgiveness from all those people whom you hurt from your words till now in life. Vishuddhi Chakra is completely getting balanced. All the problems related to throat are becoming more normal, more healthier than before. This positive energy is moving more upwards to Agya Chakra between the two eyebrows. Tell your Ajna Chakra to activate. Allow your pituitary gland to work more efficiently. Pituitary gland, the third eye, is the place where intuition develops. Trust the process, trust yourself. See the pituitary gland getting activated. Visualize your intuition power being developed. Opening a gateway towards consciousness. Focus on pituitary gland, Darshan Kendra, complete faith on the truth. As you develop Samyak Darshan, the right faith on the truth, right faith on the reality given by the Tirthankars. As you achieve Samyak Darshan, the karmas of the past begin to destroy. Allow this Agna Chakra to bring more wisdom from within. The soul consciousness. Let this pituitary gland bring in a great balance within the body. Look your body, it's totally getting balanced, becoming more healthier. Master gland is governing, functioning to maintain a proper balance among all the systems of your body. Let the right faith bring a great balance within the soul. experience a balance between physical, mental, spiritual, and emotional parts of your life. Look at the great balance you are achieving today. You are becoming more secured, more balanced with this divine knowledge. Allow your experiences to bring in new sights, new insights from inner wisdom. Your Ajna Chakra is completely activated. Bring in a strong resolution to practice the true path towards soul consciousness and meditate daily to explore the knowledge from within. Feel your entire body system completely balanced. Allow this positive energy to flow to the top of your head, the Sahasrara Chakra. Let this positive basic energy flow from Muladhara Chakra, crossing all the chakras to reach Sahasrara Chakra. Let the entire body system energize with this chakral energy. Allow your Jnana Kendra to activate. Connect yourself to your own higher self to receive direct perception of reality. Going more deeper and deeper. Allow yourself to understand the ultimate truth. Let the pineal gland function normally. Sahasrara Chakra has an association with pineal gland. See yourself detaching from the illusion of this life, illusion of this universe. Detachment is the key to happiness. See yourself detaching from all the external factors to experience the ultimate inner happiness. Everything seen external are all temporary. Nothing is eternal. Start detaching yourself from all the external materialistic world, experiencing ultimate pure inner happiness, peace and joy. Balancing your body system, visualize your pineal gland functioning properly, secreting all the hormones normally. tell your Jnana Kendra to activate. Let the knowledge come from within the Sahasrara Chakra, the knowledge of truth and reality. This pineal gland manages the daily biological rhythm. See your biological rhythm improving, secretions becoming very normal. Serotonin, melatonin, diethyltryptamine are all getting balanced. Your sleep cycle is becoming normal. At this moment, you are going to fix exact time to go to bed to sleep well. The moment you go to bed, the pineal gland automatically programs to get a sound sleep, deep sleep. Allow your Sahasrara Chakra to create a great balance and rhythm in your body and mind. All the 7 chakras are activated. Physically, mentally, emotionally, psychologically balanced. Accomplish this great balance now. Say to yourself, I align my body, speech and mind into one direction. I bring in a great alignment within my body, mind and speech. Say to yourself, I am happy, I am healthy, my body is healthy too. Repeat this several times. I am happy, I am healthy, my body is healthy too. With all this positivity, feel yourself a complete being with all the wellness. Last 1 minute. Complete balance with the energies. Filling the positive energy in every part of your body. At this moment, I am going to count from 1 to 5, and with each count, you will slowly return back to the present moment. 1, 2, your blood circulation is becoming normal. 3, your physical body and mind are getting aligned to the present moment. 4. Conscious and alert. And 5. Whenever you're ready, place your palms on your eyes and just relax. Take your own time to return back to the present moment. Whenever you're ready, you can complete your meditation. Open your eyes gently and relax. Slowly, slowly, return back to the present moment. Align yourself to the present moment with all the happiness, peace, and joy. Thank you.